more about what we do. So we have this daily webinar where Jin will be walking you through his thoughts and ideas of specific currency each day. So Monday we'll be talking about the Aussie and Kiwi, Tuesday on the Euro, Wednesday on the Pound, Thursday is on the Yen and Gold, and Friday today we'll be talking about CAD and maybe Bitcoin or some other stuff. So let me launch a poll, and let me know that if it's your first time here. Okay, so today is Friday. So this webinar is going to be like very beneficial for long-term investor and also short-term traders. So during this session, right, Jin will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, highlighting potential targets and risks. So a disclaimer, any information shared during this session is not intended to be trade recommendation. It's solely the opinion and the views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. So, okay, cool. Let me see the poll. I have seen a couple of you is first timer here. A very warm welcome to this currency call that we do daily, every Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. So I'm Kenneth here. I've known Jin for like a couple of years, about 4 to 5 years now. First as a student, then after I became a coach in the LCMS, and now a business partner with Jin in Forex Briefcase. So Jin runs LCMS Traders and Forex Briefcase as trading coach and a $1 million trader. So what this means that he trades and also being invited on many stages globally. So in fact, one of the reasons why you might be here is because you might have seen him presenting in an event or attended one of his course previously. So let me launch another poll to let us know how did you get here? Yep. Okay, I would like to share something on the LCMS Traders Club as well. So maybe a story of a bit of my background. I used to be a trader myself, has been trading for quite some times, but I always used to be trading alone. But after I found that trading alone, right, is actually very lonely, and during that time I did not do well because I didn't have a group of people that I can trade together and really like ask each question and everything, and therefore I gave up easily. So finally I found a group of people like in LCMS where Jin like contacted a lot of calls, and from there I found a group of traders where we trade together. So actually we share the same strategy and everything, and we are being accounted for each other. And from there, right, we traded all like together properly, and after that I became more profitable and also have get a lot of returns as well. So for this, right, I'd like to share something on here. Give me a second. Okay, I found this. So this is the LCMS Traders Club. It's actually a group in this LCMS Traders Club where actually all the traders are being in together, and where if you are not from the Traders Club, right, this is definitely something that you should join. After joining, and just we can like they can do the trading and ask all the question together. So as you can see, what we have in this Traders Club, there's a lot of information, and where it's very good for all those like even if you have been trading for a while or actually you are very new over here. So a big welcome to new members over here. So what we have right over here, like we have the signals. So very importantly that if you are in the Telegram group, I see quite a lot of people are from the Telegram channel. So this signal will be being fired up before the Telegram signal. So what we have, right, we have analysis on how we look at the signal on the chart, and from there, right, we will tell you that why did we enter all the trade over here, and even we posted up charts and everything on the signal. So instead of just blindly following, we have also give you to let you know how you are able, like what is the analysis behind of entering a signal where you can be able to learn as well. So we have the currency watch list on a daily currency watch list, like what is the currency watch list that we are looking at, and some currency coloration from here. We have also taught in the group how to use this as well. Most importantly, every Monday we have the weekly live call with Jin, where we can ask a lot of questions and we will talk about the market, the whole week's markets and everything. So it's just a place that is actually, this we have already made a shortcut for you, right? That you actually do not have to go into other website to source what is going to happen in the market, what am I looking for, and why is it being strengthened, why is it being weakened. But from this group, right, it's actually a very shortcut where you can join with the weekly call, and you can easily know what the market is happening. And if you are very like new to this trading as well, we have like every Wednesday we have coaching from Daniel. Every Wednesday where we will be giving different different teaching, like tutorial videos, like how the pin bar work inside candles, how to use some indicators like Bollinger Bands and all this. So everything is all inside here. And most importantly, that we have a few people that already joined us. And like for instance, you see that there's a Steven, like he joined on this 1st September, and he has easily have made back the fees that from this LCMS Traders Club. So for this LCMS Traders Club, right, to join is actually 49 a month, or actually 199 a year. So just get on to a year, because it's like less than a coffee a day. So I think less than 50 cents a day, right? To get all the information from here, to let you earn back the fees and everything. And most importantly, right, what I feel that trading is never alone. So we should actually be a group where the synergy and everything, where we all goes together. And this group is definitely for you, and for everybody out there as well. If you are not in the group, to join this group right now, so that we can learn together, trade together, and grow together. Yeah, so do remember, I believe Junwei has posted the link in there. So click on the link, scroll down all the way, and join the group right now. So without further ado, let me hand over to Jin for today's currency call.
Oh, okay. Finally got to unmute myself. All right. So good morning, everyone. How are you all doing today? You know the drill. Give me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're present. Let me know you're ready to go. I do this every day. Come on. Don't make me ask 20 times. I've got hearts as well. 2 hearts. Good morning, Stephen, Amy, Harriet, Jeff, Sally, good stuff. All right, so today is Friday. It is Canadian, maybe oil, maybe Bitcoin. We've had people asking about the S&P 500 and what else? What are they asking for? The NASDAQ. I am going to be here to disappoint everyone. I'm going to be only talking about the Canadian oil and the Bitcoin, S&P 500, NASDAQ, and any other index that you want to look at. Ask for it in the Traders Club, and I will do that Facebook Live for you guys, for the Traders Club members. Okay, but you tell me what you want. Don't tell me you want everything, because I'll be on Facebook Live for 24 hours. Tell me what you want in the Traders Club, and then I'll do that analysis for you, only for our club members. All right. Good morning, Chandler, iPhone, and Sally, and everyone there. Okay, so let's get started. Let me go through the drill again. Do you know about the 4-day course that I am running? Do you know about 4-day course? If you do, are you super excited about it? If you don't, how can you not know about it? How can you not know about it? Come on, vote it in the poll. Do you know about the 4-day course? Jinwei says yes. Tai says yes. If you know about it, Next question I have for you is, have you shared it on Facebook? Can you help me? It doesn't cost you anything to click share on Facebook. All it does is it helps me massively by getting people on board. So if you can, or you have to, especially on my regulars, click share, copy the link and click share with the special code so everyone gets it for free. Okay, so there is a couple of you who do not know about that 4-day course. Let me very quickly tell you about it and make sure that you join. It is 4daycourse.lcms.com.sg. I'm pretty sure Chingwei has just put in the link. What you need to do is not even read anything here, okay? Go onto the site 4daycourse.lcms.com.sg. Ignore everything, just scroll right to the bottom. Ignore, it's not even $4,000. Click sign up now, fill in your details, go to the coupon code, put in 100 DAY, click apply, and it's absolutely free, $0, and then click submit. Okay, that's all you have to do. Second thing you have to do after doing that is click back and make sure that you're available on the 22nd, 24th, 29th, and the 1st of October. Okay, those is going to be held on those 4 days or 4 nights, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. GMT +8, that's Singapore time. So it doesn't matter whether you are in Singapore, Philippines, Malaysia, Peru, Canada, UK, Ireland, all our viewers coming from all parts of the world. You can join us. It is fully online streamed. So we are going live, answering your questions, guiding you through the whole process. Okay, so make sure you scroll down to the bottom, click sign up and click join for those of you who have not joined already. And I know who are you. Okay, those of you who have joined, all you have to do next is to share this link and the code on Facebook for me. Biggest favor I ask from you, that's all you have to do. No catch, nothing to pay, just do that. Alrighty? Okay, so with that said, since I am on this here, let's look at Forex Factory. Okay, so Forex Factory we have here, you can see that there's not much news that's going to be, well, we're on Friday first of all, so there's not much news that's going to be affecting the Canadian. You can see that 2 p.m. we have some Euro CPI numbers, we have Pound GDP numbers coming out, probably about 6%. All right. Then we have Euro numbers. We have some Chinese numbers coming out, Euro, some CAD, some US CPI numbers. We spoke about that already. No real triggers that's going to be pushing the Canadian dollar a lot higher or a lot lower. But what you would have seen this week is that we've seen a lot, more than expected. The volatility in prices across the board has increased significantly this week. Prices spiking a lot higher before coming back down, or spiking a lot lower before bouncing back up. So something to be very careful of. It might also be that because we are at the end of the week, we might not see as much volatility as people start taking a bit of a breather towards the end of the week. So we'll look through the charts and see how it's likely to play out. However, one thing you want to take note of is, do I have it open? No, I don't. Let me just do this. All right. So it is where is it? The Canadian, so are you still on the same page? Yes. Okay, so the Canadian overnight rate here, okay, the Canadian overnight rate was held at 0.25%. Rate statements came out. We shared this was happened on Wednesday night, okay? We shared this on Monday night with our Traders Club members that the rate statements is probably going to come out with no changes, and that lack of a change was likely to result in some strengthening in the Canadian dollar. And we saw that happen in the Canadian dollar as the Bank of Canada held rates held rates, held QE, made a decision not to do any changes to their policies because they were quite comfortable with how the market was going, and they wanted to adopt a bit more of a wait and see approach before taking actions into any further stimulus. Okay, so that set the background or the overview towards how the market has been doing in terms of the US CAD. With that said, I wanted to come back to this. We work very closely with Sam Trade here. I think, Jiwei, can you help me find the link and put it in for the Cardiff Trading Championship? There is a trading competition now. First prize is 5,000 US dollars. So I think Jinwei is going to put in the link for you in the Zoom chat. You should take advantage of it, right? If you win, you get 5,000 US in addition to your trading profits. I would like to join, but I cannot join, so you guys have to join on my behalf. With that said, let's look at the charts. All right, so this is the US CAD on the H4 time frame. US CAD on the H4 time frame. I'll zoom in one more so it becomes a bit easier to see. We saw the US dollar strengthen early in the week as the stock market dropped quite a few percentage points. We saw that US dollar strengthen, but that led to a very nice point where the US CAD came back down as we saw some strength of the Canadian dollar because of what was said with the Bank of Canada's rate statements and statement decision. Okay, so it came down about that almost 100 pips because of that news. However, after that, it sat in consolidation, went back to retest the 1.32 level, 1.32 level. Looks like it's possibly going to keep testing that resistance level before maybe, actually, I'm not too sure, before maybe coming back down again. I would say that it's possibly going to look like it's going to break out, but then after that come back into this range of the 1.32 to 1.30 range. Okay, why I'm a bit hesitant in terms of telling you exactly where it's likely to be going. One of the reasons, or the main reason, is that there's no real stimulus pushing the market prices in either direction over the next couple of days, especially given that it's Friday. Nothing really pushing it either a lot higher or lower. Monday, we spoke about this yesterday, but Monday, not much news, not a lot of news coming through next week until early Thursday morning. So Thursday, we have the rate statements or the rate decision from the US. We have Aussie numbers, we have yen numbers, we have pound numbers, a lot of news coming out on Thursday. So it could be that the market is going to probably sit in a little bit more of a consolidation leading up to Thursday's FOMC statements, economic projections, and funds rates. Okay, so I'm a little bit going to say that it's probably going to test the 1.32 level, possibly come down, but that's going to be until next week. Be a little bit more careful. It could test and break a lot higher, but I'm thinking that it's more likely to trade in this 1.32 to 1.30 range. All right, so you can sense that I'm not super excited about this pair. A lot more other trades to look at. Just a quick review, such as the euro pound, right? The last time we spoke about euro pound, we said that if it doesn't break above, it will probably turn down. It went straight up. It's at 9252 right now. It's at a point where we could see a lot of movements in a possible retrace back down. What I want to also pay attention to is that one. We spoke about a pound US dollar, said that it was going to test the 1.3037 level. It did exactly that. It went up, tested, said it's going to come down towards 1.2828, did exactly that as well. Chinwei is almost trying to stifle his laugh because that's going exactly to how that brown line was going. Go up, test that level, and turn back down. Okay. I think same thing with the pound yen as well. We said I was going to sit there a little bit and possibly break 13767, heading towards 13543. Did almost exactly that. All right, so I hope you actually got a lot of value from these currency calls that we're doing on a daily basis. Not just telling you where it's heading, but the two directions, right? That it's going up first before turning back down, or it's going to move across before turning down. Things to watch out for before you jump into any trades, such as the euro as well, right? It did come down first, but we said it was probably going to test the 1.19 before turning back down, went up, tested 1.19, started turning back down, possibly going to hit lower again. So you can see that I'm a lot more excited about those trades rather than the USCAD. USCAD, coming back to our main focus for today, USCAD will move, but it's not going to be super exciting. Fair enough? Sounds good? Anything in the chat for me? Nothing in the chat. Everyone has, as unexcited as I am about USCAD, everyone is unexcited about the chat as well. Okay, so with that, I'm just going to talk about oil as well, okay? Oil. So I previously said that, nothing much happening with oil. We have seen that with oil, it was sitting in a range for a very long time. This is a daily time frame, so take note, daily time frame. So in August, all the way to end of August, it was sitting in that range. That's why we decided to take it out of the analysis. Nothing much to talk about it. Recently, it broke a lot lower because of some of the news that came out where they were not looking to deal. They were looking at possible low prices that led to price of oil dropping towards towards 37, 36. At this point now, I think this is the new range. I still don't think it's tradable. I still don't think it's highly tradable. It's possibly going to come back down, test this 35, 39 level, and then trade within that range, the 35, 39 to 41 level, but not super interesting to trade. Remember that oil prices are going to be a bit more manipulated. News comes out where they say, hey, prices should drop. You're going to see prices drop straight away, or you're going to see that they say, oh wait, we're going to cut production, prices will start jumping straight up. So if you're trading oil, you have to be on the ball, 100% on the ball with a lot of the news items. And if you're not able to be on the ball with all that news, I would best suggest is have an overview of oil. It has quite a good correlation with USCAD, but probably not actively trade oil. Sounds good? Daniel with the summary. Welcome, Thomas. You are late, but you are lucky because this is recorded. So make sure you join us on YouTube if you missed any parts of this, or you would just like to listen to my voice again. Listen to it on YouTube again. Okay, so with that, let's look at Bitcoin. How many of you trade Bitcoin? Not many. Okay, I'll help you answer that question. Not many of you do. The last time we spoke about it, I keep telling you that it's trading in that 12,000 to 11,000 range. It has broken below 11,000. It's at 10,000 right now. We are probably going to take Bitcoin out of the analysis from next week onwards because, okay, wait, my iPad's gone crazy. Okay, because it's not going to be moving that much. People are moving away from that safety aspect again. You can see that also applying with how gold has been moving. So as gold slows down, you see the climb or the volatility in Bitcoin slow down as well, that move to reserve currency, that move to reserve commodity, or the move towards reserve or alternative investments have slowed down. All right, so you see that Bitcoin has came off that 11,000, 12,000 top, sitting at about 10,000. I think that at this point, it is almost at its equilibrium point. Not much going to happen to Bitcoin. Okay, so if you're looking to jump into buying any crypto and if it's backed by Bitcoin or if it's driven towards by Bitcoin, I would say that it would be a bit of a medium to longer term investment rather than something that you could jump into in the shorter term. All right. With that said, if you have any questions, put it in the chat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Sunil, very quick for his questions. Are you saying that gold is not going to be in demand in short term to medium term? Well, gold is always in demand, but not in massive amounts. So it's not going to push gold prices significantly higher or lower in the short to medium term. As we spoke about gold yesterday, I did have that blue box highlighted saying that it's going to trade within that range, maybe for the short to medium term. Right. So for any analysis on gold, remember to check back on the YouTube channel. It's all recorded, uploaded there. Okay, Sunil? Good stuff. Actually, if everybody here could jump onto YouTube and just click subscribe onto the YouTube channel, that would help the algorithms massively as well. That would be awesome. With that said, Kenneth, you can take it back.
Thanks, Jin, for this fantastic session. So as we are coming to an end, let me launch this poll. Please help me fill it up before you guys leave to at least let us know that what do you think about this webinar, about this currency call. And by the way, a recording of this video will be uploaded in the LCMS YouTube channel where Jinwei has just pasted the link. So thank you all for joining the session today. So we'll see you guys again on Monday. We'll be talking about Aussie and Kiwi. So I'll see you guys again. And please go and take a look at the Traders Club website and click join, and we will have more people there and trade together session. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.